happened?
Flood warning in effect from this evening until further
Bro,
notice.
another river flood warning.
What? Moderate flooding is forecast.
What the hell, dude?
Where? Passaic River at Little Falls.
Little Falls.
When? From this evening
What the
until
heck,
further
bro?
notice.
Another one.
Impacts at 5.5 feet.
The 12 to 6 2 didn't go off.
Street in Patterson,
It only went off
closest to
once, the
river,
12 to 6
begins
2.
to flood. At 6.0 feet, portions
Bro, what
of
the
Hoffman
heck?
Road
Another
in Wayne
river flood
sustained
warning.
some nuisance flooding. At 6.5
What the
feet,
heck,
low-lying
dude?
areas in
So
the vicinity
many.
of 2 bridges in Wayne are flooded. The lower end of Bergen Street in
Did
Patterson,
KZZ31 get it?
In Patterson, portions of River Street, Presidential.
No, we did not. What the heck? KZZ31 got the alert. Yep, it got the alert. KZZ31 got the alert. KZZ31 got the alert too. Nice. Yeah, KZZ31. Yeah, KZZ31 got the alert. What the heck, dude?
Coastal flood advisory remains in effect
Dude,
until
so
1 p.m.
much.
this afternoon.